Welcome to Naples, Italy. We will be exploring some of the city's most interesting spots, starting with a walk to the historic Castel Nuovo. Let's get started. On the right is a unique piece of street art. It's one of the many creative touches you'll find throughout Naples. Now we've arrived at Castel Nuovo, also known as Maschio Angioino. This medieval castle, built in 1279, is one of Naples' most iconic landmarks and has witnessed centuries of history. The castle's impressive architecture and rich history make it a must-see. Next, we're heading to Galleria Umberto, a stunning shopping mall built in the late 19th century. Its glass dome and elegant design are truly breathtaking. The Galleria is not just a place to shop, but it is a piece of architectural art. Walking down the side streets of Naples, you'll find an array of local shops, cafes and restaurants. The energy and charm of these streets are what make Naples so special. From traditional Italian eateries to unique boutiques, there's always something new to discover in these bustling streets. Thank you for joining me on this short tour of Naples. From historic castles to modern malls and lively streets, Naples has so much to offer. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.